everyone, my name is Utkarsh, and in this video we are going to create an automated development environment setup tool completely using Refact AI. So what is Refact AI? So Refact AI is an open source AI powered coding assistant, and it has some cool features like context aware code generation and refactoring your code, and integration with tools like GitHub, GitLab, Docker, Postgres, and I have Refact AI installed in my IDE. So as you can see, this is a completely new project. It is empty as well. Let me do ls. Yeah. So you can install Refact AI from its website. Just click here, start for free, and it is almost available for all the IDEs, VS Code, and all the JetBrains IDEs as well. So I have one prompt ready here, so I will just copy and paste it. So I have Refact AI installed, and I will just start with a new chat. And Refact AI has various AI models like GPT-4, O3 Mini, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, 3.7 Sonnet. So I will go with Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and I will just paste my prompt here, and I will hit enter. And now I will just wait and let Refact AI do its work. So now you just have to sit and wait, and Refact AI will do almost all the work. One more thing I will add here, like when you want integration with Refact AI, so as we are integrating GitHub with this project, so you have to generate the personal access token, and you can easily generate it that from your GitHub account. And you just have to go here in the integration, like setup agent integration, and you have to paste that key here and integrate GitHub with your Refact AI agent. Now I will just wait or fast forward the process and show you the final tool. Yeah, so as you can see, with some more modifications and with some more prompts, the tool is almost ready. And let's test this tool. So we have to execute this Python file, and we have to give the name of our project. So as this is a Golang project, I have given the name my Go project and dash dash GitHub flag, so that it can create the GitHub repository and push the code there. So let's hit enter. So now it will initialize everything and set up the development environment. So let's cd into our directory and go run main.go. Oh, so now it has started the server on 8080. So this is pretty cool web page, also showing the status ready for development and some features, and what could be the next steps. And let's also check our GitHub repository as well. Yeah, so my Go project. Yeah, so Refact AI agent did all this automatically. It has created this GitHub repository and also pushed the code here. And this is pretty cool, this web page. Let's check it for other projects as well. So I'll stop this server and what is the command for React project? Let's check it for React. Or if I have the command here, yeah, my React app -- GitHub. So let's wait for this. It will again set up the development environment for the React project, installing all the dependencies, initialize Git, create a Git repo, and it will push the initial commit there. So I built this tool completely using Refact AI, not written a single line of code, just build it with prompts. Yeah, so let's cd into my React app directory and npm start. Yeah, so it has started the development server on 3000. Again created a beautiful web page showing all the information, the next steps, the features, the status, and also let's check for the GitHub repository. Yeah, it has also created a repo for this React application and pushed the initial commit here. So this is pretty cool. Let me stop the server. So I've built this tool completely using Refact AI, and I will link all the links in the description, and also make sure to join the Refact AI's Discord server to get involved with the community and get answers for your queries. And this is pretty much it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.